Hey everybody, welcome to Math with Ace. I want to show you something pretty cool that you can do in Excel with data that you're working with. So I have Excel Online open and I have a new workbook. And then on the left-hand side of my screen, you can see I have a problem where I'm asked to calculate the mean, the median, and the mode. And I have these numbers, but rather than me entering 3, enter 4, enter 5, enter, I can copy and paste the data and make an adjustment to get it how I want it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my OneNote and I'm just going to highlight the data and press Control C to copy. You could also right click and copy if you wanted to, that's fine. I just like to use the keyboard shortcut. I'm then going to press Control V and all of the numbers are going to end up in this one cell. So what I want to do is I actually want them to be in separate cells. I'm going to navigate to the Data tab. And you can't see it here, but I'm going to press the 3 dots for more options. And I want to split the text to columns. So now I have the option to select how it is broken up. And these are semicolons that are being used. So I selected semicolon. You could select space, you could select comma, you could select tab, but notice it'll preview what's going to happen. If I take away the space, then all of the spaces are not going to create new columns. So semicolon is what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to click apply. And there's all of my data. I'm going to make my window just a little bit bigger for you now. But I can work with data in a column if I wanted to in Excel. I can just tell it I want the average of the, or as a row, I want the average of this row rather than the average of a column. But what if I wanted to take this data and make it into a single column? I can copy the data that's highlighted by pressing Control C, and then in a new cell, I'm going to do the one right below it, I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste special where I transpose the rows and the columns. So transposing is going to make a row a column and a column a row. So I'm going to select transpose rows and columns and I'm going to allow. And now all of my data is in this row. I'm going to delete the top row here. And then now all the data that I need is in this column A. Hopefully you find this helpful rather than having to type everything up by hand.